want to make a video for the CRO cryptocurrency holders out there. Everybody that's a fan of crypto.com and the Cronos coin right now is experiencing some pain because of this. This chart is a killer right now, and it is not going to $1 yet. It is not even at 20 cents. In fact, CROcoin is below 10 cents. Why is Cronos coin down so much? And when can we expect this coin to go up? A lot of people are asking this question right now. A lot of people are experiencing a lot of frustration with this token. But here's the secret, guys. It is not just this token that people are experiencing the pain with. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Pepe, Dog with Hat. You've got, and those are memes, we've got utility plays. We've got Cardano is down right now. You've got HBAR that's down right now. You've got SWE that's down right now. It is not just Cronos, my friends. Now, some of those coins did have bigger pumps in this bull market than CRO, and that is something that has been frustrating for these CRO token holders. So why would I still be bullish on this coin? Because I am bullish on CRO. Maybe not here in the short term. In fact, maybe there's a good opportunity to do a little short trade on it for the meantime, because it might be coming back down to 7.8 cents, guys. I'm just kind of looking at this trend line here. You can trade around with it in the meantime, or you can just view these as accumulation zones. If you don't feel like you have enough CRO and you want to lower your entry because you were buying up here, you could absolutely DCA in at these levels. Right now, I've got my altcoin positions ready to go. I'm set for the bull market. I'm actually currently accumulating Bitcoin myself, but what I have been doing a little bit more of is trading and looking at some of the kind of key levels going on for CRO, for some of the other coins that we talk about on this channel. And I'm just doing little trades daily on these things to try to pick up a couple $100 here, maybe a couple thousand if I'm making a strong enough play. Trading can be risky, but at these times where, we're holding something that's coming down and it's not had the big explosion yet, trading's a nice thing because it's a good way to earn some money while the market's calm. If you're a good trader. If you want to sign up and do some trading of your own, you could sign up for Blowfin using our link. I actually got a campaign I'll share with you in a little bit. I want to talk about why I'm not worried about CRO right now and why I'm bullish on it. I'm not worried about CRO right now because, if you're seeing this price action come down for CRO, you have to understand this is the total market cap. It is dipping as well, and it's hanging on there with the rest of the coins. Every single altcoin pretty much is doing the same thing right now. They are trying to find a bottom and trying to bounce. What we have not seen yet is this altcoin season, this very elusive altcoin season that everybody talks about. I've been talking about it for years. I believe it's coming. It hasn't come yet. We are waiting for that. Why bullish on CRO, though? If you're looking at what's going on right now, just yesterday I talked about a story on my live stream where Crypto.com, Circle, Coinbase, and Ripple are talking with the CFTC right now. Why? Because they're all stable. They all have their own stable coins. Crypto.com is coming out with its stable coin later this year. And they're going to be the entity, the company, sitting down with the CFTC to figure out how to mainstream stablecoins here in the U.S. and maybe even get them backed by the Treasury one day. Wouldn't that be wild? Crypto.com is in that circle. They're in the club right now. They are in the club for this new pro-crypto policy that's being adopted into the future. They just launched their U.S. exchange. They've got the Cronos chain, which is about to experience its first big moment in a bull market, I believe. We just need an altcoin season. There's no doubt that Cronos chain is not successful as a Solana right now because there's just not as many wallets. There's not as many users. There's not as many apps. There's not as many coins. But one day, I do think that the Cronos chain is going to be a lot bigger than it is today because of the company that is Crypto.com. They have done a fantastic job of establishing themselves. Nothing changes that for me. Not the price action, not the sentiment of the community. That's just me personally. And Also now, we just had the news come out yesterday. It's been basically confirmed that there is, in fact, going to be a Cronos ETF approved, a Crocoin ETF coming later this year. And for some reason, some people are bearish on it. I don't understand that. I do not understand that. What I do understand is that when you see something getting an ETF, it tells you that that is a well-established cryptocurrency at this point. Little market cap coins are not getting ETFs. Cronos currently has I think it's a $3 billion market cap right now. Let's look specifically at exactly what it is. If you take a look, let's take a peek at what we got going on for Crow right now, sitting at rank number 42, sitting at a $2.4 billion market cap. That's a pretty big asset. But in the scheme of things, Crocoin is very undervalued in a very simple comparison to its number one competitor, Binance, who has an $89 billion market cap. If Crow gets the market cap of Binance, you're making over a 20x. That's incredible. That's an incredible amount of upside for Crocoin if it's reasonable to expect Crow to get to Binance's levels at some point, which I do think it is. They are actually growing in market share and catching up to Binance over time consistently. And right now, Crypto.com is the biggest exchange in North America. It's a very interesting time, guys. I think that Cronos is well positioned. But if we're waiting here, looking and expecting Crocoin just to start defying gravity and being the coin that's going up right now while everything else is coming down, that doesn't make sense. What does make sense is buying the coins that you believe in low and selling them high. The people that took some profit up here are very, very happy campers right now. These folks are probably taking a percentage of their profits off the table and keeping a bag for the long term, which is always a great strategy to be shuffling some off the table as the prices are inflated, especially after some giant green candles like this. Shuffle some profits. You could reaccumulate down here on these dips and then start taking some more profit on the way up as we come back up and start making our way up to this level, which our previous high was right at about, something in the 90-cent region. I think the Crocoin's going to go to $1. I think it could go to $2 in this bull market. But in the meantime, I think it's fun to trade. We got this cool little spinner wheel game that Blowfin actually made for our audience. And the first 100 users that check it out, I've got a link for you down below. If you deposit $100, you get $10 in free Pepe. You get to spin this wheel. You could earn a Bitcoin. You could earn 0.1 Bitcoin. You might win nothing. You might win 10,000 Pepe or 30,000 Pepe, some SHIB or some Doge. So I've got that there for you guys if you want to check it out. If you want to trade Crocoin, you could do so on Blowfin. I'm thinking about trading CRO actually myself a little bit on Blowfin and potentially starting to even do that in live streams. I have not really been doing any leverage trading on Crow yet, but I am thinking about it because it does have some pretty high volatility moments to the upside, to the downside. So as always, guys, you got to set your stop losses. Be careful when leverage trading, but I'm definitely trading a lot more. That is all I have for you guys in this one. I'm excited about CRO in this bull market. I know the pain is real. I know it's frustrating right now, but guys, we are in 2025. We're in a post-halving year. We have a new elected set of officials that are pro-crypto. The pain is intense right now, which means we are probably right around the corner from a big move to the upside. It could be a day, a week, it could be a month or a couple months, but at some point in 2025, I think it's going to go up. I'm really looking at the Fed policies lately. That is going to determine when we're going to get this altcoin season and this big boom for Crow. I've always been a believer that the biggest moment for CRO is going to be at the peak of the bull market. At the very end, it's going to have a big kaboom finish with a grand finale explosion. And right now, that timeline is looking like November, October September or October of 2025 for now, and things are always changing. So stay posted on all things crypto. Do your own research. Please note, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is not financial advice. I will see you in the next one, my friends. I got 2 videos here if you want to check them out. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, DCA Hodl. Peace, guys. I'll see you next time.